Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Supply HD8. Today we have for you a 2000 model Duratech Whirlwind HD8 Series 5 tub grinder. The purpose of this video today is to give you a quick 360-degree view of this machine. Start, run. We're going to put some pallets in it to show you the machine shredding just like it's supposed to do. We're going to go ahead and start walking you around this machine. We'll show you right here at the control panel. We have ordered a brand new gas shock from Duratech, and that will be installed before the machine's sold. This machine has 505 original hours on it. The machine was bought new by a municipality, and it was only used during storm cleanup. They no longer had used it and had sold the machine. All the gauges work. Everything has excellent oil pressure, holds 60-pound oil pressure, tack works. These are your pressure gauges here, throttle, clutch engagement on the right and left side of the machine. Up top here, that has a Cyclone 2 air cleaner system on it. In transport home, it got bumped and cracked. We've ordered a brand new one of those, and that'll be installed also before the end of the auction. In here, this unit is powered by a Cummins 4 BTA, 130 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Now, 4 BTA is an after-cooled turbo diesel. Engine is very nice and clean. We'll remove this panel and get you a close-up in there. You can really see. Very nice and clean, no oil leaks. Clutch and everything is in very, very nice, immaculate condition. Machine's also been in the shop, had all new filters, fluids, everything changed. Machine had some old fuel in it from setting. We've changed it out with fresh fuel in it. Does have a little fuel smoke until it warms up. Nothing to be concerned about. We're just telling you that. We like to be 100% honest here at Supply HD8. This machine is trailer mounted, of course. Towed very nice on the way home. All the trailer lights, trailer brakes work. Tires are in very nice condition also, and it is on a 10,000-pound oil bath axle. The tub on this machine is in very nice condition, other than one little ding here we found. Usually on a tub grinder like this, they're all beat up and dented in from loading with an excavator with a thumb. This one is not. It is a very, very nice straight machine. It's not welded, busted anywhere of that nature at all. Back here in the back of the machine, we'll just continually walk you around. This currently has a 3-inch screen in it. There is also an assorted set of screens over here we're going to show you. The swinging hammers on this machine, on the edges, they do have some wear but can be turned yet. So, you know, you could use them as is, and you could also turn them and get a fresh cutting or swinging surface. The belt is in very nice condition. We'll get you close up here. The cleats are in very nice shape. The belt isn't cut up or anything like that. And also get you a picture here of the underneath. This unit on the conveyor system. Out here on the end, they call this a magnetic head pulley. And what that allows it to do, whenever you're grinding pallets, all your nails or any type of metal debris will come around on the belt. They will get down this aluminum drip pan, as they call it, and go right down here and collect into a pile. So it's very nice how this machine will separate your metals right out of your processed wood. Now, this tub grinder has been very commonly used in municipalities, landscape companies, recycling plants for grinding various materials. The nice thing about this machine is it can be very easily transported. It doesn't require a tractor and trailer. You can tow it behind a 1-ton truck very easily, very portable. And that's what makes this little machine really shine. You will see here in the drive line, we've greased all the grease fittings. This does have a shock amplifier, I'm going to call it, where it takes the shock off of anything that would get loaded hard, and it doesn't allow it to shock it through your engine. Underneath here, you have your hydraulic tank. Also, both sides in the same area, you have 2 fuel tanks. This machine will hold approximately 50 gallons of fuel. Also, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel, show you inside the other side of the engine compartment. It's very, very nice and clean. Go ahead and reinstall that. And again, you have a clutch engagement on both sides of the machine. Also, what's very nice about this machine, depending on what side you're working, you can very easily pull the pin, rotate the control box to the location that you're at. Now, this machine is remote control ready. We do not have a remote control for it. It was not sold new with a remote control. everything works for that and is ready to go. We're going to run over the very basic controls. You have your conveyor here, run and stop, tub forward, tub reverse. You have your folding and unfolding of your conveyor belt. Platform, which would be your tub, raises up and down to give you easy service. You have an emergency stop button. Then you have manual here. Now what you can do, you can set your engine load speed and your tub speed, okay? And you can set this for high, low, and medium whenever you're running your remote control, or you can just flip it on the manual how we have it set. We're going to go ahead and walk you over front here. You can see it does have safety chains. Has just the regular style 6-way plug if you need that changed to a 7-way if you're coming to tow at home. If you purchase it from us, we'll be glad to change that for you. And just pulls off a standard pintle ring hitch. Over here you'll see the different set of screens that we have. There is 2 4-inch screens, and then this screen here varies. It has 3 sizes here that are bigger and 3 that are smaller. They're 4.5 by 6.5 and then 4.5 by 8.5. So it does come with those extra screens. It's something you don't have to buy. And we do have 4 extra swinging hammers and some extra various bushings. All that stuff goes right along with the machine. Also, we do have in our possession a full set of manuals for this machine, including original cut sheet of this machine whenever it was purchased, all the specs. There's maintenance service, a very nice set of books for this machine. So at this time, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, we're going to fold the machine up so you can see what it looks like visually collapsed. Then we're going to have our forklift man dump us some skids in there once we've engaged it and have everything running to show you how it grinds. We're going to go ahead and crank it up. You have a Murphy switch. You hold the Murphy switch for approximately 10 seconds. And you can see once your oil pressure builds, you just let go of your Murphy switch, speed your engine up. Put the locking pin in here for the tub, and that will lock the tub fast to the frame whenever we're ready to grind here. Something else, the drip pan. You actually put these 2 bungees on and that sucks it in against the frame of the machine. There is a ding here, doesn't affect anything, we're just pointing that out. We're going to go ahead, we're going to engage the clutch. I'm going to fold the conveyor out first though to show that the conveyor does spin. this machine up to be stationary running, it is a good idea to pull your engine covers off. If you have any questions on this Duratech Whirlwind HD8 Series 5 portable tub grinder, please call Mark or Nick at Mark Supply Company and Mark Supply 88 on eBay. We'll be glad to help you in any way. If you want to come here, run this machine, see it in person, we welcome you to do so. If you need a freight quote, just let us know, we'll get it. We feel this machine, you can tow it from here to California. It tows very, very nice. So, and again, if you have any questions, just give us a call or shoot us an email, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBay.